My name is Yuri Orlov. When I was a boy, my family came to America.
미국의 평범한 이민자 가정의 장남 유리.
Like most Ukrainians, we congregated in Brighton Beach. It reminded us of the Black Sea. I soon realized we just swapped one hell for another.
그는 가족과 함께 식당을 운영하며 생계를 유지하고 있었습니다.
Growing up in Little Odessa, murder was an everyday part of life.
그러던 어느 날
I'd never seen it with my own eyes. I had this knack of showing up 5 minutes before something went down, or 5 minutes after. Not that day.
이웃 식당에서 러시아 마피아들의 끔찍한 총격전을 직접 목격하게 되죠. 눈앞에서 무자비하게 사람이 죽어나가는 충격적인 현장이었습니다.
It hit me.
하지만 그 참상을 바라보는 유리의 눈빛은 두려움이 아니었습니다.
You go into the restaurant business because people are always going to have to eat. That was the day I realized my destiny lay in fulfilling another basic human need.
그는 충격 대신 알 수 없는 전율을 느끼게 됩니다.
My contact at synagogue landed me my first Israeli-made Uzi submachine guns.
그렇게 유리는 자신의 천직이 바로 무기상이라는 것을 깨닫습니다.
Big firepower in a small package. This little baby uses 9mm hollow points, 20, 25 round extendable mags, rear flip adjustable sights. Silencer comes standard. Excellent recoil reduction. Muzzle jump reduced 40%, 60% improved noise suppression. You could pump a mag into me right now and never wake the guy in the next room. Of course, that would eliminate your opportunity for repeat business.
비디오 테이프 상자에 숨겨 마피아에게 건넨 첫 거래.
Fortunately, back then a video camera was as big as a bazooka. Here I'd been running away from violence my whole life and I should have been running towards it.
하지만 고작 지폐 뭉치 하나가 오가는 시시한 거래에 유리는 실망하고 맙니다.
Read the newspapers, Pete?
The newspaper. It's always the same.
You're right. Every day there's people shooting each other. You know what I do when I see that? I look to see what guns they're using and I think to myself, why not my guns?
What, you opening a gun shop?
Already more of those in America than McDonald's. Even with all the gangsters around here, the margins are too low.
그는 동네 갱단이 아닌 국가 단위의 거대한 정규전을 상대로 무기를 공급하기로 결심합니다.
The first sale. We're already in business.
Whoa. We?
I need a partner. Need you. Bratya, Parujo.
Grazie Parogio.
It was the 80s, and the Cold War was far from thawed. Most of the deals were government to government. And it was a mostly private club with a lifetime club president.
That's him. Oh, the big shot.
Mr. Weiss? Mr. Weiss?
It's okay, they're talking. May I help?
Yes, a mutual friend, Eli Kurtzman from Brighton Beach, Import-Export, said to contact you. I have a business proposal. I thought perhaps we could discuss it.
You think I just sell guns, don't you? I don't. I take sides.
But in the Iran-Iraq war, you sold guns to both sides.
Did you ever consider that I wanted both sides to lose?
하지만 무기 박람회에 찾아간 그를 업계의 검을 심해오는 아마추어라며 철저히 짓밟고 무시합니다.
Bullets change governments far surer than votes. You're in the wrong place, my young friend. There's no place for amateurs.
시간이 흘러 1982년 레바논.
I got my first break in Lebanon after the suicide bombing. But I wasn't the only local kid making good.
마침내 유리에게 일생일대의 기회가 찾아옵니다.
We sell by the kilo.
The second-hand weapons, but they're still okay.
How many kilos would you like?
5,000.
미군이 버리고 간 막대한 양의 M16 소총 재고를 처리하게 된 것이었죠.
Army salaries were no better in the 80s than they are today. And some of the brass, like Lieutenant Colonel Southern, needed to raise money for their own private wars.
Good to make your acquaintance.
This is bullshit money, V. This is small fucking potatoes.
What do you want to do, go more legit?
No, more illegal.
자신이 판 무기가 양민학살에 쓰이는 것을 목격한 동생 비탈리. 기겁하며 총을 빼들어 학살을 막으려 하지만 유리가 그를 거칠게 말립니다.
Selling guns is like selling vacuum cleaners. You make calls, pound the pavement, take orders. I was an equal opportunity merchant of death. I supplied every army but the Salvation Army.
이후 유리는 상대를 가리지 않았습니다.
I sold communist-made bullets to fascists.
무슬림에게 유대인이 만든 총을 팔고 공산주의 국가의 총알을 파시스트에게 팔아치웠죠.
I even shipped cargo to Afghanistan when they were fighting my fellow Soviets. I never sold to Osama bin Laden. Not on any moral grounds. Back then, he was always bouncing checks. By the mid-80s, my weapons were represented in 8 of the world's top 10 war zones.
심지어 구세군을 제외한 세상의 모든 군대에 무기를 대며 엄청난 부를 쌓아갑니다.
There's no problem leading a double life. It's the triple and quadruple lives that get you in the end, depending on who I was that day and the region of the world I was visiting. Operations like mine, it would be impossible for certain countries to conduct a respectable war. I was able to navigate around those inconvenient little arms embargoes. There are 3 basic types of arms deal. White being legal, black being illegal, and my personal favorite color, gray.
하지만 꼬리가 길면 밟히는 법.
What do you mean tipped off? They know where we are? Well, where are they? Well, how long have I got? Not long? What does that mean?
Do we try to lose them?
On this?
Yuri, we have to get off this thing.
No. No one's going anywhere. Slow. Dead slow. Buy me time. Yeah, it's Yuri. Get that fucking rag down! I need another handle for this tub. Something in our weight class. You! Over the side. We're changing the name. Now! Yes, it's got to check out.
The way I looked at it, what's in a name?
Kono? How do you spell that? K-O-N-O. Okay, well, that's good. Kono. K-O-N-O. What are we flying? Dutch? Got it. Pete, get me a Dutch flag, would you? I don't have Dutch! What?
I've got a French flag.
So?
Turn it sideways. It's Dutch.
That's why you're my brother.
Interpol agent Jack Valentine couldn't be bought, at least not with money. For Jack, glory was the prize.
그의 뒤를 쫓는 인터폴 수사관 잭의 집요한 추적이 시작됩니다.
Kono, it's not the crystal. Kono, K-O-N-O. Clean? It sure doesn't look clean. I'm gonna go aboard.
Phone in a sighting of the crystal south of Aruba.
Even when I was up against an overzealous agent, I had a number of methods for discouraging a search. I routinely mislabeled my arms shipments farm machinery, and I have yet to meet the lowly paid customs official who will open a container marked radioactive waste to verify its contents.
Smells.
Sir, sighting the Cristal due north.
Most importantly, I kept a number of intelligence people on the payroll to supply their colleagues with counterintelligence.
그러던 어느 날 콜롬비아 마약 카르텔과의 거래가 있던 날
The second rule of gun running is always ensure you have a foolproof way to get paid, preferably in advance, ideally to an offshore account. That's why I chose my customers so carefully.
무기값 대신 마약으로 돈을 치르겠다는 그들.
¿Qué es esto?
6 kilos de cocaína pura.
No le puedo dar esto al pinche de Chase Manhattan.
Vendo armas, no drogas.
Diversifícate.
Tengo mis valores.
Sin dinero, no juega.
Vete a la mierda.
What the fuck are you doing?
Fuck you!
Fuck you!
그렇게 한참의 실랑이를 벌이던 유리는 자신이 판 총에 맞아 죽지 않기 위해 어쩔 수 없이 코카인을 넘겨봤습니다.
What do we do now?
Let's celebrate.
하지만 이 거래는 끔찍한 나비 효과를 불러옵니다.
That narco gorilla had his facts right. After shipping it stateside, the return on that blow netted me a healthy profit. It would have been even better, except 1 kilo never made it back.
Tolly?
I found him 12 days, 2,000 miles, and 150 grams later in a Bolivian boarding house.
코카인에 손을 댄 동생 비탈리가 심각한 마약 중독자로 전락해버린 것이죠.
Of course, my dream girl had gone there before me. Get out of the car. Promised her parents.
결국 동생은 재활원 신세를 지게 되고
From then on, I was a one-man operation.
유리는 홀로 남게 됩니다.
There she was again, Ava Fontaine. In my neighborhood, they say the good get out. In our own ways, we'd both conquered the world.
엄청난 부를 이룬 유리는 평생의 이상형이었던 모델 에바에게 다가갑니다.
You can't force someone to fall in love with you, but you can definitely improve your odds. It cost me 20 grand to book her for a fake photo shoot, another 12 to buy out the hotel.
Popular hotel, huh? Ava Fontaine.
Yuri Orlov. What brings you to St. Bart's?
Photo shoot? At least that was the plan. Guess the photographer got stuck in Miami. Hurricane, though there's nothing on the news.
I'm out of nowhere.
So, the job's been canceled, and wouldn't you know it, there's no flight back to New York until Tuesday.
You can hitch a ride with me if you like. I'm leaving tomorrow. Meanwhile, why don't I take your picture? In my experience, some of the most successful relationships are based on lies and deceit. Since that's where they usually end up anyway, it's a logical place to start. I nearly went broke trying to convince her I was anything but.
호텔을 통째로 빌리고 전용기를 띄우며 건실한 사업가로 위장한 유리.
No idea. I'm sorry I didn't recognize you.
Don't apologize. I put clothes on for a living.
Well, at least you're not taking them off.
I would be if half the photographers had their way. What about you?
I'm in transport. International air freight, mostly.
Business is good. Where are you from?
I was born in Ukraine, but I grew up in Brooklyn.
No.
What, you too?
Williamsburg.
Well, here's to a hurricane. Without it, I never would have met you.
Feels like fate.
결국 그녀를 속여 결혼까지 꼴이 나게 되죠.
Is that a view or is that a view?
That's a view.
Mazel tov.
Congratulations.
Thanks.
Always remember, son. There is something above you.
Sure, Dad. $40,000 crystal chandelier. I'm sorry. Today must be tough.
Be nice to have a couple more guests from my side of the family.
I'm sure they're watching right now.
Thank you. But you don't believe that, Yuri. Remember? I know you, Yuri. I know you're not everything you seem. Don't worry, I won't ask a lot of questions. I don't want to hear you lie. You take risks. Just promise me you won't risk us.
That's the trouble with falling in love with a dream girl. They have a habit of becoming real. I've never been so glad to see Vitali.
You fucking beautiful!
Brother, thank you so much for giving me such a beautiful sister.
He was out of rehab and out of his mind.
Dance! We have to dance! It's a wedding, a celebration! Do you?
But for once, he rescued me.
그렇게 단란한 가정을 꾸린 어느 날
I was still living way beyond my means. Mortgage to the hilt, using one credit card to pay off another. Anything to keep Ava in the style to which he had, thanks largely to me, become accustomed. Suddenly, all my Christmases came at once.
Nicky, you did it! Good boy!
That's my grandson!
Yuri, don't you want to see what your son is doing?
TV에서 소련의 붕괴를 알리는 뉴스가 흘러나옵니다.
hell's the matter?
It's over! It's over!
What's over?
The Cold fucking War, the Soviet fucking Union, the evil fucking empire, Mikhail Saint-Domingue!
세상이 충격에 빠진 그 순간 홀로 쾌재를 부르는 유리.
Throw it in the towel, it's over!
Son is walking.
That's incredible, honey!
자신의 아들이 처음으로 두 발로 걷는 경이로운 순간조차 안중에도 없었습니다.
I'm not a fool, Yuri. I don't think you're going to just to sell Pepsi Cola. Is this how you want to be remembered?
I don't want to be remembered at all. If I'm being remembered, it means I'm dead.
Merry fucking Christmas!
What's this, Vitali?
I'm Angel.
Her name really is Angel. Let's put her on top of the Christmas tree! You all.
During the Cold War, the Red Army stationed nearly 1 million troops in Ukraine because of its strategic military importance. The day after the wall came down, the paychecks stopped coming. There's nothing better for an arms dealer than the combination of disgruntled soldiers and warehouses full of weapons.
그는 이미 피 묻은 무기 거래라는 지독한 늪에 빠져 있었죠.
I was hoping Major General Dmitry Volkov would open a lot of armory doors in a lot of military bases. For a start, he was family. He was a highly decorated hero of the Red Army, and he was almost permanently shit-faced.
I can't just sell you government property, Yuri. I have to report.
Or to who? Moscow? There is no new boss yet. Show me your inventory.
소련군 장성이었던 삼촌과 결탁해 막대한 무기를 빼돌리는 유리.
Those 45 years of mutual hatred between the East and the West had generated the highest weapons buildup in history. The Soviets had guns coming out of the demon hole, huge stockpiles, and now no enemy.
How many Kalashnikovs do you have?
40,000.
10,000 Kalashnikovs for a battalion. Your stocks are dangerously depleted, Dmitri. You should order more from the factory.
Someone will work it out. What happens then?
We'll cut them in.
The end of the Cold War was the beginning of the hottest time in arms dealing. The arms bazaar was open. Guided missiles, unguided missiles, mortars, mines, armored personnel carriers, whole tank divisions. I even landed a squadron of helicopter gunships, the most sophisticated fighting machines, built for a war with America that never happened. Thanks to me, they'd finally get to fire a shot in anger. But I wasn't the only one offering a crash course in capitalism. I had rivals.
Inform your commanding officer that Simeon Weiss is here to meet him. You don't know who I am, do you?
그는 자신을 무시했던 거물급 무기상 시메온을 비웃으며 업계 최고의 자리에 오릅니다.
You're late.
So it appears. Instead of cutting each other's throats, it may be beneficial if we work together. What do you think?
I think you are the amateur now. I think you should go with your instincts, with your first instinct. I'm the same man who was not good enough for you before, and I'm just not good enough for you now. This was the chaos that the old guard had always feared. Of all the weapons in the vast Soviet arsenal, nothing was more profitable than Avtomat Kalashnikova, model of 1947, more commonly known as the AK-47 or Kalashnikov. It's the world's most popular assault rifle, a weapon all fighters love. An elegantly simple 9-pound amalgamation of forged steel and plywood. It doesn't break, jam, or overheat. It will shoot whether it's covered in mud or filled with sand.
Какие нахуй документы? Ты попридержи их как можно дальше. But you're supposed to be watching out for these people.
How can I? You keep selling my helicopters. You're too greedy, Yuri.
A paperwork.
Not for the gunships. You know the penalty for sanction busting? Selling the military helicopter is a major violation.
Military helicopter. Not a military helicopter. It's a rescue helicopter. Laws on our side.
밀수 중인 전투 헬기를 구호 목적이라 속이기 위해 검문 직전 로켓포드를 분해해 놓고 서류를 조작하는 등 법의 허점을 철저히 유린했죠.
Met before, off the coast of Colombia. What was the name of that freighter? I can't remember. Was it the Kono or the Cristal?
The crew called that vessel a lot of names. None of them repeatable in polite company.
Answer the question.
Oh, the new MP5. Would you like a silencer for that?
I need to see your papers. Nice. Very nice. Did you type this up yourself?
The helicopter's to be used on humanitarian missions.
Oh, so you're a humanitarian.
Oh, absolutely.
This is a military aircraft.
Not anymore.
Listen to the nephew.
What can they do with military hardware but convert it to civilian use?
And this stuff over here, is that going to Burkina Faso as well?
But to a different client at a different address.
That's just a coincidence, is that it? You take me for a complete fucking fool!
I hesitate to tell you your job. I must point out that when shipped separately, the weapons and the aircraft both comply with the current Interpol trade standards and practices.
We both know that is an obscene, bureaucratic loophole that's going to be closed any goddamn day.
But it's not closed. And while certain people might interpret this cargo as suspicious, thank God we live in a world where suspicion alone does not constitute a crime, and where men like you respect the rule of law.
인터폴 재계 추적도 교묘하게 빠져나갔습니다.
I was as guilty as sin, but Valentine couldn't prove it. And he was the rarest breed of law enforcement officer. The type who knew I was breaking the law, but wouldn't break it himself to bust me. Valentine wasn't the only one trying to put me out of business. My uncle had turned down a half-dozen rival arms dealers, sometimes with offers better than mine. but to Dmitri, you couldn't put a price on loyalty.
I told him to go have intercourse with himself. But Yuri, no.
You need to make more payoffs.
Too many, no.
Don't worry. There are more VCR cigarettes. I left them in your new car.
Even your enemy was admiring that car. I'm the luckiest man alive.
You are.
하지만 업계의 정점에 선 그에게도 어두운 그림자가 드리웁니다. 삼촌은 심혜원이 설치한 차량 폭탄 테러로 눈앞에서 목숨을 잃고 맙니다.
The pillaging didn't die with my uncle. After the wall came down, $32 billion worth of arms were stolen and resold from Ukraine alone. One of the greatest heists of the 20th century.
이후 라이베리아의 악랄한 독재자 바티스트의 부름을 받게 된 유리.
11 major conflicts involving 32 countries in less than a decade. A gun runner's wet dream. At the time, the West couldn't care less. They had a white war in what was left of Yugoslavia. I did the bulk of my business in Liberia, land of the free. Originally established as a homeland for freed American slaves, it's been enslaved by one dictator or another ever since. The latest was American-educated, self-declared President Andre Baptiste.
Mr. Yuri! I'm Andre Baptiste Jr. Father would like to meet you.
President Baptiste was my best customer, but I was in no hurry to meet him. He'd gotten a reputation for routinely hacking off the limbs of those who opposed him. His 7-year civil war has been described as a relentless campaign of sadistic, wanton violence. That kind of sums up Andy for me.
그는 총의 성능을 시험하겠다며 유리가 가져온 샘플총으로 자신의 부하를 무참히 쏴 죽입니다.
Why'd you do that?
What did you say?
유리의 입에서 나온 말은 충격적이었습니다.
Now you're gonna have to buy it. It's a used gun.
A used gun.
도덕성보다 돈을 쫓는 그의 태도에 매료된 독재자.
I think you and I, we can do business.
These are my Kalashnikov kids, my boy brigades.
Even if they're not men?
A bullet from a 14-year-old is just as effective as one from a 40-year-old.
It's not bath of blood, it's bloodbath.
Thank you. But I prefer it my way.
You can't just look at the unit price. You forget ancillary costs. End-user certificates need to be forged and notarized, shell companies set up, insurance purchase, pilots and crews hired. You can't get a nut and bolt out of the Eastern Bloc without a bribe. Andy, listen to me. This is an expensive proposition.
Andy.
What stones? Well, I'll take the stones. I know you're planning a new offensive. If you can delay a week, I can get you armored personnel carriers. They'd greatly reduce your casualties and give you a significant strategic advantage.
You know, they call me the Lord of War. But perhaps it is you.
피에 다이아몬드를 쏟아부으며 그를 전쟁의 군주라 부르기 시작합니다.
Conflict diamonds are a common currency in West Africa, also referred to as blood diamonds, since bloodshed is what they generally finance. By the late 90s, my wealth had caught up to my lies about my wealth, even surpassed my lies. I could even afford to become a patron of the arts.
It's wonderful. Thank you so much. It's Yuri. Okay. Thank you. Bye. Yuri, that was the dealer on the phone. I just sold my first painting.
That's fantastic! Yes, I do. Oh, I'm gonna kiss Nikki goodnight.
Okay.
How are you, brother?
Oh, you know. Still the resident family fuck up. Hey. Ava knows, right?
She doesn't have to know. She understands.
Really, she doesn't know how you paid for all this.
We don't talk about it.
Would you help me out? Listen.
Why?
Why?
Why are you so fucked up all the time?
Because I am.
하지만 유리의 화려한 비행도 서서히 끝을 향하고 있었습니다.
Yuri, there are men going through our garbage cans.
It's probably just some reporters looking for somebody else.
I have a feeling they don't work for the tabloids. Yuri, is there anything I should be worried about?
No, nothing.
Nothing.
I love you.
I love you too.
Sir.
유리가 버린 쓰레기통의 파쇄지까지 모조리 이어붙인 재계 침념. 결국 무기 수송기 경로가 발각된 것입니다.
I was now the best merchant of death alive. I didn't own my own plane. I owned a fleet. Guns into Liberia, Sierra Leone, or the Ivory Coast at least once a week. Most trips I had phony paperwork. If the deadline was tight and I had to cut corners, I had no paperwork at all. But I wasn't overly concerned. There was hardly any radar over most of Africa and even fewer people to watch it.
Charlie Echo India, reroute to Kampala Airport on heading 029. Comply immediately.
Colonel Southern, it's Yuri. I'm sorry to call you on this number, but I've got Interpol all over my ass.
I can't know you right now. It's not a good time.
Not a good time?
Charlie Echo India, comply immediately. This is your last warning.
Where was the first fucking warning?
Rock your wings if you intend to comply.
I'm putting us down.
You land, we're all going away. I don't have paperwork.
We're in a flying fucking bomb.
They're firing bullets at our bullets.
I'm putting us down.
Okay. Fuck!
This is Charlie Echo India. Request reroute to Kampala Airport on bearing 029.
No, not the airport. There, the highway. It's our only hope.
You guys nuts? Want a truck on the tarmac?
공중에서 요격당할 위기에 처하자 아프리카 허허벌판에 불시착한 유리.
We're gonna be okay. Where are you going?
As far from the evidence as we can get.
Wait! There's not gonna be any evidence! Come here. Hey, don't be shy. Here, look. Free sample. Help yourself, okay? Free sample. Tell your friends.
그는 증거를 없애기 위해 현지 주민들에게 무기를 공짜로 나눠줘 버립니다.
But a cargo crew at Heathrow Airport does in a day. Took a bunch of malnourished Sierra Leonean locals 10 minutes. By the time Agent Valentine got there, you could find more guns on a plane full of Quakers.
뒤늦게 도착한 책.
Yuri Orlov. Ow! Fuck!
You run from us?
No, MBZ, no.
We make him disappear, Mr. Valentine. Around here, people disappear all the time.
I can't do that. He's gonna get what's coming to him.
What's the charge?
What are you doing in Sierra Leone?
Trade.
Trade, traffic. You get rich by giving the poorest people on the planet the means to continue killing each other. Do you know why I do what I do? I mean, there are more prestigious assignments. 9 out of 10 war victims today are killed with assault rifles and small arms, like yours. Those nuclear missiles, they sit in their silos. Your AK-47, that is the real weapon of mass destruction.
I don't want people dead, Agent Valentine. I don't put a gun to anybody's head and make them shoot. I admit, a shooting war is better for business, but I prefer people to fire my guns and miss, just as long as they're firing. I go now? You've got nothing on me. Except cops.
You must know that I'm legally permitted to hold you for 24 hours without charging you. You might ask why I would do that, and I can assure you it's not because I enjoy your company, because I don't. No, the reason why I will delay you for every second of the permissible 24 hours is I am delaying your deadly trade in the deaths of your victims. I don't think of it as taking a day from you, but giving a day to them. So, I will see you in 23 hours and 55 minutes,
Valentine knew he didn't have to guard me. There was nowhere to go. Or maybe he was hoping the locals would tear me apart.
분노하며 그를 24시간 동안 구금했지만
But they were too busy with the plane.
그 사이 현지인들은 수송기의 부품까지 모조리 뜯어가 흔적조차 남기지 않았죠. 번번이 잭을 조롱하며 빠져나갔지만 그의 삶은 속부터 썩어 들어가고 있었습니다.
A gift for you. I was afraid that he might die before you got your chance to kill him. This man came here hoping to take your place.
No, I'm not here to supply Mr. Baptiste. I am here to supply his enemies. I fear it's a sale I shall never complete.
He killed your blood. Your uncle, when he tried to kill you. You want that I should let him go?
No.
You do want him dead. You just don't want to have to do it yourself. So, we will do this together. This will be a bonding experience. You know you can stop this anytime that you want. But I don't think that you do. Stop.
독재자가 잡아온 경쟁자 시메온을 직접 쏴 죽인 뒤
He ordered you brown, Mr. Yuri. Brown. What is it? The mixture of cocaine and gunpowder. Give it to the young boys before they do battle. They do anything.
Some other time.
I suggest you try it at least once, Mr. Yuri.
Why?
Because it's your gunpowder.
I'd never tried brown before, but then I never killed a man either.
유리는 마약에 취해 환영에 시달리며 정신적으로 피폐해져 갑니다.
Remember, Yuri. Take signs.
Started to feel I've been cursed. The curse of invincibility.
Nikki, please, go to your room. I don't believe you. Can you prove any of this?
I don't expect we're gonna find anything here today.
What do you want?
I was hoping that you would help me. I understand that, your parents died tragically. The illegal firearms used to murder your mother and father were procured from men exactly like your husband.
결국 잭의 설득으로 남편의 진짜 직업을 알게 된 아내 에바.
I'd like you to leave.
Gentlemen.
Ava? Ava, what's wrong?
Can't wear the clothes. Can't wear the jewelry. Can't drive the car. Can't live in this house. Everything's got blood on it.
They lie. They're liars. Look at me. Look, they lie to make themselves look good, okay? You can't trust them.
They didn't have to.
I sell people a means to defend themselves, Ava.
Guns are bigger than the boys.
There is nothing illegal about what I do.
I don't care if it's legal. It's wrong. Please, stop.
It's not about the money.
What is it?
I'm good at it.
I feel like all I've done my whole life is be pretty. I mean, all I've done is be born. I'm a failed actress, a failed artist. Not much good as a mother. I have failed at everything, Yuri, but I won't fail as a human being.
그녀의 눈물 어린 애원에 유리는 합법적인 사업을 시작하지만
My enemies had finally found a weapon that could hurt me.
For the next 6 months, I stopped running guns. I went legitimate.
This is an untapped market. I'm talking over 5 million cubic meters of timber in the first year alone. Over 100 exploitable species. The oil, between you and me, this is New Texas. What do you say to 10,000 barrels a month?
He must be lying. He's talking.
Phone numbers all check out. It's all on the level.
No wonder Valentine was confused. Thank God there are still legal ways to exploit developing countries. But the only problem with an honest buck is they're so hard to make. Still, I'd promised Ava.
한 번 손에 묻힌 피를 씻어내기란 불가능했습니다.
Yuri, the president of Liberia is on his way up.
합법 사업에 초라한 수익에 실망하던 찰나
What the fuck are you doing here, Andre?
I was beginning to wonder whether that was still your profession.
No, they're watching you.
Yes. I know they blame me. They blame me for everything. Those hypocrites. They're on a hunt for a witch.
Witch hunt.
Hostilities have escalated. They're making it very difficult for me to resupply.
I can't help you. I'm sorry.
But you should know this.
독재자 바티스트의 반협박 섞인 요구가 이어지고
To our present situation, we are compelled to be unusually generous.
결국 또다시 무기 거래에 손을 대기로 한 유리.
This oil concession should be wrapped up by Thursday. I'll be back for the weekend. We'll go somewhere. The sea.
That would be fun.
Hey, you trust me, right? She looked me directly in the eye, the way I've looked in the eyes of 1,000 customs officials, government bureaucrats, and law enforcement agents.
Yes, I trust you.
And she lied without flinching. She learned from the best.
Have a good trip.
I used to live alone.
That's it.
At a victory march. It's a cold.
I can always sense when I'm being tailed. I know what to look for. But then I've never been tailed by the woman I love. I can put myself in Ava's place. She might have understood if the combination was the last 4 digits of my social security number, my birthday, even her birthday, but not Nikolai's. My son's birthday unlocked what the government would later describe as a catalog of carnage.
그는 마약 중독을 극복한 동생 비탈리를 찾아갑니다.
You know, I'm leaving tonight on a job. I want you to come.
I can't. I got a girlfriend. I think she might be the one. Plus, I'm thinking of opening my own place. Yuri, I've given my word.
No one has to know. We'll tell them we're going for a little R&R.
What do you need me for all of a sudden?
I trust anybody. I need you to watch my back. Bratья, пооружию.
그를 끈질기게 설득해 다시 사지로 끌어들입니다. 얼마 후 아프리카의 거래 현장.
How do you do this, Yuri? Huh? Do you do this when they are watching all of my airspace?
Where there's a will, there's a weapon. Where's my fucking money?
And it is delivered.
It is delivered.
This is not for me. This is for my neighbors to the west.
We're going to Sierra Leone.
Yes. And my son, Baptiste Jr. will go with you to make the proper introductions.
God of Rambo. Mr. Yuri, you're a man of your word.
Right. I've got 500 units, brand new, right out of the box, all as clean as this.
무기를 넘겨받은 군부대가 주변의 민간인들을 학살하려는 것을 목격하게 됩니다.
Can't do this deal. The fuck we can't. What's the matter with you?
Look, not our business.
Killed the boy just now as young as Nicky.
This is the holdup.
There's no holdup. I'll be right there.
What do you think they'll do to us if we back out? They'll kill us.
And if we go ahead, what do you think they'll do to them?
What is he saying?
It's the deal. My brother's not happy with the terms, but we're working it out. It's nothing.
You're right, you're right. God, I gotta get my shit together. This is not our fight. Okay, what's the deal? 300 RPGs, 500 assault rifles, and 800 grenades. I thought it was 1,200 grenades.
I was so caught up in the deal, I never realized what was going on in Vitali's head.
I thought it was 1,200 grenades. Confused.
I beg your pardon. May I see another stone? Vitali broke the cardinal rule of gun running. Never pick up a gun and join the customers.
What are you doing?
Something for Yuri.
Step away. Slow.
유리의 만류에도 수류탄을 던져 무기 트럭을 폭파시킵니다. 하지만 그 대가는 너무도 참담했죠. 무장군인들의 총탄에 벌집이 되어 무참히 살해당하는 비탈리. 자신의 눈앞에서 동생이 죽었지만 유리는 살아남기 위해 남은 무기의 절반을 넘기고 대금을 챙깁니다.
Half the guns were gone, so I was still entitled to half the diamonds.
가족의 죽음 앞에서도 거래를 마친 괴물.
I now shared even more in common with the leader of that country God seemed to have forsaken. We saw something in each other neither one of us liked. Or maybe we were just looking in the mirror.
하지만 시신을 본국으로 수습하는 과정에서 의사가 미처 발견하지 못한 동생 몸속의 총알.
I'd paid a Monrovian doctor $20 to remove the lead from Vitali's body and write a bogus death certificate. I should have paid more.
Yuri Orlov. We're with the Bureau of Alcohol, Tobacco, and Firearms.
결국 에바는 아들과 함께 유리의 곁을 영영 떠나버리죠.
Papa?
Both my sons are dead.
부모님은 동생을 죽음으로 먼 유리에게 그를 호적에서 파버리고
Jack Valentine finally had what he wanted.
10년의 집요한 추적 끝에 얻어낸 값진 승리였습니다.
Have you seen today's paper? There is hardly a warlord, dictator, or despot anywhere in the world that you're not on a first-name basis with. Yeah, go ahead.
하지만 너무나도 태연하게 신문을 넘기고 있었습니다.
Enjoy it.
What?
그리고 승리에 도취된 잭에게 끔찍하고도 차가운 진실을 조용히 읊조리죠.
I don't think you fully appreciate the seriousness of your situation.
My family has disowned me. My wife and son have left me. My brother's dead. Trust me, I fully appreciate the seriousness of my situation. But I promise you, I won't spend a single second in a courtroom. You're delusional. Let me tell you what's going to happen. This way you can prepare yourself. And there's going to be a knock on that door and you will be called outside. In the hall, there will be a man who outranks you. First, he'll compliment you on the fine job you've done, that you're making the world a safer place, that you're to receive a commendation and a promotion. And then he's going to tell you that I am to be released. You're going to protest. You'll probably threaten to resign. In the end, I will be released. The reason I'll be released is the same reason you think I'll be convicted. I do rub shoulders with some of the most vile, sadistic men calling themselves leaders today. Some of those men are the enemies of your enemies. And while the biggest arms dealer in the world is your boss, the President of the United States, who ships more merchandise in a day than I do in a year, sometimes it's embarrassing to have his fingerprints on the guns. Sometimes he needs a freelancer like me to supply forces he can't be seen supplying. So, you call me evil, but unfortunately for you, I'm a necessary evil.
I would tell you to go to hell. But I think you're already there.
그의 섬뜩한 예언대로 유리를 즉각 석방시킵니다.
Most people are happy just to get out of jail. I expect to be paid to leave. I'm not a fool. I know that just because they needed me that day didn't mean they wouldn't make me a scapegoat the next. But I was back, doing what I do best.
법과 정의, 개인의 신념조차 국가라는 거대한 시스템의 이익 앞에서는 한낱 휴지 조각에 불과했던 겁니다.
You know who's going to inherit the earth? Arms dealers.
허무한 바람 속에 그의 씁쓸한 독백이 흘러나옵니다. 이렇게 인류의 피 묻은 모순을 말해주며 영화는 막을 내립니다.